Today's video I want to show you a secret niche, which is brand new and making $2,000 to $5,000 at home from a laptop or smartphone, and also easy to start for a beginner. You don't need to show your face or use your own voice or without recording your own videos. It's easy, simple and required no to minimum skill, so anyone can do it. But before I give you the secret, scroll down and hit the button for like and subscribe, for no BS and short informative videos. It will be appreciated. Thanks. Also, if you need more information on YouTube automation, check out the free masterclass in link in description. It's not mine, but from a person who can teach you better than me. So the niche is called movies, facts and Easter eggs. So what you have to do is, just find Easter eggs and fun facts about movies, and make a video on it and you are good to go. And make sure to watch video till end to know how to make videos for this niche. You can model these channels like called Any Box Facts. This making videos on movie facts and Easter eggs specifically on animated movies. And you can see on the social blade that this channel's making around $2,000 to $3,000 per month from it. And there is also channel that is niched down to Toy Story and it's called Daily Dose of Toy Story A. ND it posts specifically movie fact and Easter eggs of Toy Story series. And it's also making $4,000 to $5,000 per month. And there's one more channel called Daily Did You Know and it's making around 1.9K per month. But this channel has stopped posting new videos from last month. And still making 1.9K without posting videos, so all the channels you can see here are in the same niche. You can use the specific scene of the movies and you can also use trailers of the movies. And you can add text on it, and for the voiceover you can use your own voice if you want. If you don't have any money, or you can use text-to-speech softwares which sound like human, or you can simply hire voiceover artist from Upwork or Fiverr. And now the most important topic on how you can find the facts or Easter eggs. Just go on the IMDb of the movie you want your facts from. And scroll down for the Did You Know section and then click on Trivia. And here you go, you have unlimited content for your videos. You can search any movies and get the trivia of it. It has more in the side section, from goofs to crazy credits and many more things, and here you go. So now I have told you where you can find the facts, how you can make the video and all the things. So hope you liked it, and comment below if you have any questions and I will respond to you. Take care and have a nice day making tons of money.